then pick up your phone, call me, or come spend a weekend.
What's up? Me not come intrude while you am carrying privacy.
You're not intrude. Karim will understand. And enough time a day here by myself. And me have to wait until him come home.
You're so sweet. Thanks for the offer. I'm going to take you up on it. But when me talk about it, like somebody in my own age group, you know, to talk to.
But can I ask you something?
Of course.
After my father, you never find nobody in your life?
Finding somebody is not the problem. It's finding somebody who you love and them love you back.
And you never find nobody like that?
The place where me to hide out, when I meet one nice, good-looking man, tall. You know, dark chocolate, you know, because you know how I like it.
Me realize.
Yeah, well, you know, we used to talk about everything, all kind of thing. Why used to make me laugh. So tell me I forget to me in a hiding.
So, what him did name?
Peter. Me just so traumatized because me in hiding and me never have no freedom. But that man make me forget everything and treat me like a queen.
I can't believe me there so I sit down and I listen to my mother's love story.
It was more than a love story. It was a fairy tale.
I can ask you what him did do?
Fair living?
Yeah.
Ah, boy. In the inner life.
Scamming?
Yeah. But you have to understand, Natonian. These are people who are trying to beat a system. We have beat them for years.
I hope you're not justify scamming.
You're not going to understand. You have to understand how we get scammed from them big name companies every day. But we don't call it scam.
Them companies there are going to go down one day.
After them destroying so much people, Peter used to do scam from only big corporation and then deserve it.
You really say that, Maureen?
I'm saying to my chest. Yo, me not believe in a scamming old people and poor people. You understand? But scam from scammer, God laugh.
Anyways, back to the story. What become of you and Peter?
Same thing. Same thing will happen to all of them in their life. Them get greedy and start take from the wrong set of people.
Him start scam some little man.
Me the one out of the life, but him the one get rich out of it. And once he reaches out, it get dangerous.
And at that mashing up?
Well, that's a part of it.
What the next part? Maureen!
Yeah? What? Yeah? You say something?
I ask you what is the other part?
You know, say, if you're never in a dance, you could have turned police. You can't ask questions.
So you not tell me?
Some other time.
Okay. So where him there now?
Little girl. Somewhere in the world.
So you ever try?
Lord Tonian, stop with the heap of questions, man. Joe.
Alright. My sister is that trigger for you. Sorry.
It's alright. Good. May I cook some food? What do you want?
Anything you cook, we will eat.
How about some stewed chicken with green peas and white rice?
That's so like a good food, baby.
Yeah, man. You have chicken in the fridge?
Yeah, chicken in there.
Alright.
Mom,
Yeah?
I can ask you one last question.
Alright, go on. What?
You know anybody when named Shawn?
Who?